weird.
Yeah, like you. That's what you do.
Yeah. It's my trademark.
Yeah, it's like you're sneaking up from the... I don't know.
Anyway. What's today?
Wednesday?
Wednesday. Okay. Hey guys, it's not Try It Tuesday. It's after Tuesday, Wednesday.
It's Universal Young's Day.
Special day of the month. Essentially because we got this in the mail. We have no clue what month, or I'm sorry, we know what month it is.
I don't know what month it is actually.
We just got off work, so I'm decompiling here. Anyway, we don't know what country it is. For the uninitiated, we try snacks. This is a monthly snack box from different countries. There are 3 tiers. If you go to beardlyhonest.com/yums, click one of the links if you're looking to subscribe to the box after eating along with us, or just watching along. If you guys have your box, feel free to eat along. If you want to get your hands on some, do so through the link and we get credit for it. I think the cheapest box is like 15 or 20 bucks, and then this one is the most expensive at like 45, I think now, because they just upped the price.
Super Yum.
$50. Yeah, it's the Super Yum box. So you can open it.
I have a guess based on social media.
They did not outright tell us?
I really have not paid attention.
Okay.
Spain.
It's been a long time if we haven't even done Spain.
Well, you've done Spain, I'm pretty sure, but
Okay.
that's the only thing I saw today was something about Spain boxes shipped.
Okay.
But again, I don't know if that's new subscribers, current subscribers, whatever.
Anyway, I do have a special guest with me, obviously.
I'm not hiding. I see you guys asking for me.
She just doesn't like being on camera, so.
Because this
You
is
guys
the
have-
hair looks like.
You guys need to shame me to come in on the camera more.
Spain. It's Spain.
Okay. I was gonna say something.
It's about me being on camera?
Yeah, it was about you, but I don't remember what. Oh, she's not gonna try everything in the box, guys. This is what you get when you interrupt me when I'm talking to the camera.
Yeah.
It's maybe best she's behind the camera. She doesn't talk as much. She's not going to try everything in the box, guys, because she's allergic to dairy. It does not mean she farts or anything like that. She actually gets hives. So if you're watching, this is the reason why. I know there's a long-time subscribers that know she's allergic to it, but anyway.
It's not that he doesn't like to share. He doesn't like to share, but that's not the reason I'm not eating.
Certain things, the good stuff, I don't like to share. But anyway, this we usually get the card in there that goes over the country, some little trivia and whatnot, and then usually it goes over stuff that's in the box itself. They've been including a sticker lately, which, whatever. If you're into that, that's cool.
If that's your thing.
You gotta showcase the book.
Oh, well, there isn't much in the book anymore.
Yeah, but you're hogging. I'm going over stuff in the box, and you're hogging, and either unpack the box or be helpful with the video here.
Okay. See, that's why I'm not in the videos, because he gets mad at me.
Well, because she doesn't do her job. You're supposed to assist in helping, Miss Producer.
Okay.
Anyway, we also get the book that comes in the box that goes over all the different snacks and treats that come for that particular country. We try to eat along based on what's in here, but what's really nice is in the back, it'll give you the nutritional information for anything you can't read in English, or whatever the native tongue is that it's coming in, but also it'll also list all the allergens that's in there too, which is very pertinent. But it does do some trivia and other things. They used to do they used to do a hint for the next month's box, but now it's all online. They just promote the shop now, so.
I will look at the book. You can pull the snacks.
Okay.
Pull the couple big things out so that we can look and see. The first thing is spicy mango gummies.
Maybe this is a giant thing of gummies. You never know. I'm trying to figure out what's in the box.
The sass is real.
Pineapple rings.
Vidal. It doesn't.
You can't hog the book.
It doesn't even show the picture. Where's your thing at? It's probably gonna show you better on your plaque thing than this.
It tells me who the manufacturer is.
Vital. The doll, whatever. There you go. It literally doesn't even show the full package.
But it shows this. I can see the logo. All you gotta do is keep it right here. You can't do this.
I'm
so
blind.
I can't see what it is. So put some glasses on.
My eyeballs are in.
Oh, okay. She's had 30 minutes to get ready, and this is what I gotta do it. So anyway, would you like to cut those?
Yes, I would.
You can try one.
I have to look.
I don't know. You've got the book, so you
Here,
tell
take
me.
one first.
We've had these before.
Yes, we have. Spicy mango candies. Gummies. I don't like mango, but they're okay. They got a little spice to them.
Mm.
Just wait.
Oh yeah. I was gonna say those aren't bad, but yeah, I'm not.
They've got like a squishy center.
Yeah.
They're okay.
That's the reason why I don't like mangoes is because they're spicy.
Well, they do well with spice though.
What do you mean?
They are spicy, so adding spice, like hot, spicy flavors complement each other. All right, lemony potato chips. Yes.
Lemon and black pepper. What it says.
Yes, lemon and black pepper, which I can have these. You're just flung chips everywhere.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh. They're lemony
They're like a
and peppery.
kettle chip.
I don't like the lemon part. Pepper I can get on board with, but not the lemon.
Oddly refreshing. I like them.
You can have those then.
All right, fried bacon and cheese cones. They look like bugles.
Sabor queso bacon.
It says Spain's cheesier, crunchier, better bugle. That's a pretty bold
Them fighting words right there.
statement. I can't have that.
Yeah, they're about the same size.
Fried bacon and cheese.
Those are pretty darn good.
Do they taste like bacon?
No?
Do they just taste like cheese?
It's like a mild flavor.
I'm surprised they don't taste like bacon. No, like fake meat flavor?
Mm. It's only 130 calories for that bag.
Yeah, there's got some weird stuff in it.
Yeah. Those are pretty good.
Let me smell them. Yeah, they smell cheesy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Spanish chocolate toffees. It's in the little, it actually says here. Find me. Oh, we've had these before. Those are good. Okay, I can't have one of these. It's a little, yeah, that one.
Little toffers.
Chocolate toffees.
It says toffers on there. Right?
Sure. I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it smooth?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Chewy.
Mm-hmm. All toffee is. It's actually, yeah, it's
Not bad.
good for toffee.
Okay. I think I could
Most toffees are pretty burnt. That's mild
Okay.
for what it is.
Next are those pineapple rings. Sour pineapple gummies. Maybe Spain's most impressive gummy.
Doesn't look like we have too much in the boxes.
Oh, I'll stuck. Your phone's ringing.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Yeah. Sorry about that, guys.
Okay. I already tried one of these. So here.
You did?
Well, I already had it in my hand.
Why didn't you try it on camera?
I will get. Okay, I have not tried one of these. They're good. They kind of hurt your mouth though because of the sugar.
Sour salt.
It's a good he doesn't like pineapple. But if you like pineapple, it's a good flavor, I feel. Okay. Next is chocolate and caramel candies. We've had these before too in our Spain box. They're awfully familiar looking anyway.
Oh yeah.
It's been a while since we've done Spain, but I feel like we've had some of these things look very familiar. I can't have those.
If I remember correctly, I ate these all. They're like M&Ms.
Yeah, but like white chocolate caramel M&Ms in a little tube. So they're Spain's famous caramel nuggets.
They're very good.
Okay. So that's a thumbs up?
Yep.
You're not gonna like this one. Pistachio toffee. It's this little guy. And I can't have that either. Locally known as green gold. It says it's Spain's softest, richest pistachio candy. That's not soft. That was crunchy.
That was the wrong thing.
Oh, that was a pine nut candy. So, they look the same, sorry. Okay, Spain's secret 70-year-old hard candy recipe is what you just ate.
Yeah. Sorry guys, I thought I almost chipped a tooth there. That wasn't too bad.
Pine nut
This is very,
candy.
very, very hard.
Okay, so then that's the pistachio one.
I think it's the same company.
They all are. All these little candies look like they're about the same company.
No, it's much softer.
Okay.
And pistachio.
How is that though? Is it okay? You're not the biggest pistachio fan.
That's the weird thing, is I like amaretto.
Which is pistachio, essentially.
Which this is more like amaretto.
Okay. While you chew that, you can look for the custard cream cake thingy, my butter.
That one?
Cream-filled snack cake, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
This one, I can try. Meaning that's not cream. Says it's a moist cake signature to the south of Spain.
Ooh.
Ooh.
It's very gooey.
I don't know how I feel about that. The cake is very dense.
I don't like that. Tastes almost chalky.
Or like raw.
I'm not a fan.
Dark chocolate bar with orange peels.
It's a low guy.
There's a couple big boxes in there. So this one says may contain peanuts, tree nuts, milk, and soy, but there's no ingredients, so I can try that one. That should be fine.
Just don't die on me.
I won't die. I need this because I'm not excited for the next one. Dark chocolate and orange. Candied orange. Not bad.
Yeah, the orange is kind of hard.
Because it's candied orange peel.
Yeah.
So it's like gummy, but hard gummy.
Mine just tasted dried, like hard dried.
Fried egg and sea salt potato chips. We had these before too.
Pistachio.
I can have those. Unfortunately. Huevos.
definitely crunchy looking. It tastes like a fried egg.
I wanna.
That's weird. You don't like fried eggs though.
I got issues with eggs. Tastes like the crispy white of a fried egg.
No, I get the yolk in there too.
Oh, I like it.
I oddly don't mind them.
I mean, it tastes like an egg. There's no... It tastes like an egg.
It's like my breakfast sandwich.
Yeah. Yep. With your hash brown included. Like you made a sandwich with the hash brown. Okay. That one. Tomato and spices. All the flavors of Spain's famous dish, I guess. Which I can try these two. I like that. It tastes like pizza. Like the combo pizza combos. That's the filling and the pizza combos. It says it's fresh garlic, paprika, onion, tomato, and parsley.
It tastes better than the combos.
Yeah.
They don't taste fake.
Even though you don't want to look at the ingredients.
Yeah.
Because they contain aspartame, which is weird.
Well, for sweetness. Not too bad.
I like them.
Yeah.
Which way you want to go? Okay. Goat cheese potato chips.
There are a lot of chips in this one. Well, they're probably not doing
Not as much chocolate.
Yeah.
Once it gets warm out, they stop really sending a lot of chocolate. Goat cheese. Tangy.
Yeah, but not overly.
Okay.
Almost like a sour cream. But like a mild sour cream.
I can't have them.
It's a good sized bag.
That's the big thing of them.
It's almost like a sour cream and onion, but without the onion.
So creamy cheese.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay. Next is strawberry flamingo gummies. Lots of gummies. All from the same company. Shaped like little flamingos. The strawberry gummy. With a hint of fried egg taste, I still have it in my mouth.
No, they're good.
Got it up.
It says may contain traces of milk.
I think because that company probably produces stuff outside of this that has milk.
Okay.
So fine.
Radish, carrot, blackcurrant.
Look, you're eating radishes.
They're not too bad.
They're not super soft, but they're not hard. Like a good mix of chew. Next is roasted chicken puffs.
Politos.
I can try those too.
No gluten.
Because it's made of corn.
They got chicken in it?
No.
That's weird.
Yeah.
They're shaped like chickens.
Yeah, so it says, oh, they are?
Mm-hmm.
So you never guess they're vegetarian. That's weird.
Yeah, they're like pirate's booty.
Yeah, that puppy popcorn. They don't taste like chicken though. But they don't have chicken in them, but that's weird. They don't even taste like chicken.
They're good.
They kind of melt in your mouth.
I like those. Not bad.
Almond cream wafers. Crispy wafer outside, creamy almond inside. We've had these before. They're delicious. If I remember correctly.
Mm-hmm.
A little crunchier than I remember. Sugary, like sugar crystals.
Well, it's like the wafer cookie.
I don't know, it's good. It says it's usually a Christmas treat.
Mm-hmm. Those are good.
Cookies and cream white chocolate bar.
Oh, that's a big one. Is that the right one?
Yep.
Yeah. Can't have these, can you?
No.
I'm a sucker for white chocolate.
Oh, we missed something. Okay, never mind. It's like, why do I have 2 big boxes left? But I missed something. Does it taste like cookies and cream? Hershey's cookies and cream? Better?
Much better. Mm-hmm.
That's good.
I'd buy these all the time if they were here in the States.
That's actually not awful ingredients in that one, except something called PGPR. I don't know what that is.
I don't know.
You see it on there too?
Yeah. It's one of the last ingredients in it.
Yeah. Okay, so you have 2 things left. You can either do the cocoa dusted salted caramel truffles first. So let's do those first. That's the one I missed.
I've had these.
I don't know if you've had the caramel flavor before.
I've
Caramel.
had coffee ones, I think.
Yeah, cocoa dusted salted caramel truffles.
Ooh.
Messy. Oh, it ripped open.
Yeah, it exploded.
Okay.
Not bad, but I don't get the caramel flavor.
It's just like a chocolate truffle.
Mm-hmm. Maybe a little bit, because it almost tastes a little burnt. Like caramel does.
I smell chocolate. Oh, it did explode.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, not bad though.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then the last thing is cinnamon cookies. Spain's softest, crumbliest Christmas cookie. So they gave us all these Christmas snacks.
Well, they gotta order them.
Yeah.
You know.
All I smell are the fried egg chips. Over here. It smells like someone farted.
That wasn't me. Oh, they're soft.
It just said Spain's softest, crumbliest cookie.
Oh. Well, if they're crumbly, be
Oh, they're
careful.
soft.
If they're crumbly, be careful then. I'll crumble.
What is it?
No crumble.
Huh? It's kind of a sandy texture. Light on the cinnamon flavor.
I was saying that was a mistake eating the whole thing.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's okay. Texture is a little weird.
It's smooth though. It's not grainy.
No, but I don't know. It's weird. Okay.
Mm.
Taste is good.
Yeah.
What was your favorite thing?
I don't know, white chocolate bar.
Did you have like a least favorite?
That pine nut candy. It's a lot harder than I thought it would be.
Okay. I didn't like this cake thing.
Oh, yeah, that's probably the worst thing.
Yeah, because it was weird. That's not cream nor custard nor anything.
I didn't hate anything. I didn't love anything, but I still give this like a 7.5 or an 8.
We've had some of these things are repeats from the last time we've done Spain, but it's been a little bit.
But it was an overall good box. That's what I'm trying to get across.
Yeah.
There wasn't anything too repulsive in it, and there wasn't anything
amazing.
Yeah.
Like what was the box you loved? Germany? Recently? Was it Germany where you kept pretty much the whole box? Yeah.
Maybe.
I think it was Germany. That was like a 9 out of 10. So this is like a 7 out of 10, you're saying?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's a good solid box.
Not bad.
We have no idea for next month.
Nope. Because it just says, want to know where we're going next? Check out our social media pages at the end of the month.
All right. Well, if you guys ate along with us, hopefully you enjoyed some of the snacks. Let us know what your favorites and ones you didn't like down below. So where you can also ask us any questions or comments on the video itself. If you like this video, guys, hit that thumbs up button. Feel free to share this video as you see fit. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Until then, have a nice day.
They're always in a video.
Well, we'll see if they comment on that or not.